Step by step on how to mine Boinkers. This particular project called Boinkers is a very good project, and I will advise you to be part of it if you have not joined. Now in this video I'm going to explain to you because most of you don't know how it works, and if you look on this session you will see that it has already been verified by Telegram, so don't joke with it. Do not give up on crypto airdrops because of what the previous ones did. Maybe they disappointed you and all that, so you shouldn't give up. Now I'm going to direct you on how to do this particular one. If you click on this end session, click on it. Once you click on it, you will see there are a whole lot of tasks that you can perform, and you'll be rewarded just for performing tasks. Once you come here daily, you will see some tasks that you can perform, and I will advise you to start now that is still early. It's not when it's about to end you will be rushing. And if you really want to benefit from airdrops, you should learn how to start early. Register early and be part of that particular project early. So to do this task is very simple. All you need to do is to click on that particular task. For instance, this particular one say watch and like YouTube short. You click on it, click on go to take you to YouTube. You just go back immediately. Now click on verify. See, they will reward you here. The coin will be added here. So that is all about this end session. You see a whole lot of tasks that you can perform. If you look below, you see the ones I've done. You see claim, I've performed all these ones. Now if you click on these friends, click on it. If you invite friends, you will be rewarded with 15 spin. Now if you click on this place, you copy your referral link, give to your friends so that they can join you and mine this project. Now let's click on this build. This is to build your profit per hour. If you click on this build session, now you see this. If I click on this, my coin is not up to 1.6, so I need this particular one to build my profit per hour. If you click on this place, drop, let's click on it. Now you see connect wallet. To connect your wallet is very simple. Click on connect. You can connect to your Telegram wallet, or you connect to your Tonekeeper or my Ton wallet. It depends the one you want to use. You can use any of the Ton wallets to connect. So I'll click on this Tonekeeper. Click on Tonekeeper. You will see connect. Click on connect. Okay, it's connected. That's it. Wallet connected is showing here. So this is how to connect your wallet on the Boinkers. Now let's click on this spin. Now if you click on this spin session, every 1 hour they will reward you with 5 spins, which you can use in order to get more coins as well. So it's just as simple as that. If you have not started, I'm going to drop the link on the comment section of this video and on the description of this video. Make sure you start immediately. It's a very good project. It has been verified by Telegram, and I will advise you to be part of it. Start immediately. You are still early. Join us and in order to make something out of it. It won't take your time. Just 5 minutes to perform the task and come out. It won't take time. You can, no matter the kind of job you are doing, you can just take 5 minutes out of your time and perform just simple tasks. Click on end, perform some of the tasks. The profit per hour will be increasing on its own once you have a coin balance here. It's just as simple as that. So that is how it's being done. Thank you for watching. And to spin, you can either spin to get more coin, or you can lose also on the process of spinning. That is just all. Thank you for watching. My name still remains Ifoma. Please do not forget to like, share, and make sure you are part of this project. You won't regret it. Thank you, and do not forget to connect your wallet as well. Bye, and see you on my next video.